Hello everybody and welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Chidiebere. In today's tutorial, we will be looking at how to integrate Google AdSense on your websites. If you have a HTML website or a WordPress website and you want to monetize it by displaying Google adverts on them, this is how you do it. So without wasting much of your time, I have this website which I built some years ago, landy.ng. I want to display where adverts at the top and any other places that it can it can work, or any other places that can take adverts on it. So this is what I do. Go over to sites. On sites, you will see something like this. These are the ones I did before. So add a new URL. So you do landy.ng. This is my URL to this place. So once you do that, it will give you a JavaScript code with your publisher ID here. So what you do is to copy this particular code. If your website is designed using HTML, just simply go to your website. On each of the pages where you want Google advert to appear, just paste this script on it, and Google will automatically display adverts as well as manage how those adverts are positioned and placed on your website. So on each of the pages, your index page, your services, your about, etc., just make sure you have this script pasted at the head tag of each of your website. So once you've done that, you can click on request to review. What this will do is that Google will try to contact this website and to see if you've placed those scripts in there. So if you've placed the script in there, it will automatically know that, okay, this guy has access to this particular website. It must be his, so they will approve it for you. So but if they encounter any issue, then it can take up to 2 weeks for them to do that. But hey, they will still give you send you an email telling you these are the things you need to do for you to be able to get it right. So we can go ahead and set up our AD and look at how our AD will look like. So currently, I've not placed it on my website, but if yes, I have, Google will just preview it and then it will display how it will look on a mobile phone, and how it will look on what's it called, and how it will look uh, on your PC. You can enable auto AD here, and then you can select your AD format and do the settings over here. So once you are done, you can click on apply, and then it will apply now, or you can say run experiment first. It will run experiment to give you some overview of how the AD will be like, the impression it will show per seconds, your target, and all that. So once you've set that, you can then click on save, and it will automatically save. So once it's saved, you can come to this place. You can come to this place and let me dismiss this, and you can see my AD is already on. So if I want to see the data, I can click on see report and see the report. Now let's talk about AdSense integration for WordPress. Now if your site is a WordPress site, you can go to this place, come to this what's it called, URL here. This is it here. You can pause the video and copy it or type it in, and then look for site kit. From your plugin, go to your plugin menu on your WordPress dashboard. I don't have any WordPress currently, but if you have WordPress, go to plugin. Under plugin, look for site kit, just this. Look for it, and once it's from by Google, once you see it, install it and activate it. And once activated, then you can then from there set it up by connecting your account. It will ask for your account, then make sure you connect your account to it, and once connected, every other thing, just follow the prompt and everything will work as smooth and as nicely as possible. Once that has been done, once you come over to this place and your AD is up and running, then you can be able to see the number of impression, number of clicks, and every other thing. And when you go over to your payment section, then it will show you the amount which you've made over the years and over time and stuff like that. So once your threshold is up to $100, then you can request for payout and they can transfer through wire or bank transfer to you. But another thing you have to bear in mind is that verification is very important. Verification, one is identity verification and the other one is address verification. So when you have payment, you can display advert or impression. I don't know about now, but before now, you can display advert until your threshold gets to 10 or above. Once the value, your payout gets to $10, then you will need to verify your physical address, which you can do by following a prompt on a mail they will send to you, or come to this place and click on a button that will appear at the top of the screen and it will round you through the process. Now what happens is that you put your physical address location, and then another thing is you put your postal code. Now Google will mail a document to you with 4-digit code on it, and once you click on complete, it will be on pending. When you click on complete, then it will request for those codes, that 4 code. You have the chances of entering it just 3 times. If you get it wrong 3 times, then you have to verify your address, start the whole process again. So I advise you wait for that code. It will be delivered to you via mail, and then you can click on complete and then enter the code, and these two will be verified. This is where they verify either your government issue identity card or your national ID card or your driver's license. That's what you use for this. So this is very important for you to be able to get payout and for them not to suspend your display of advert. So that will be all for now. If you run into any problem, just do let me know. Make sure you look for Site Kit by Google, and then you use it to activate Google AdSense for WordPress website. Thank you.